Hey, this is Frank Burke with Dinosaur Rocketry, and today I have a model that I made yesterday morning. This is sort of in honor of Scott Branch, who owned Rokitflite, which is a company that made some really neat designs. And one of their most popular designs was called the Fake Wulf, takeoff on Focke-Wulf, of course. So it was sort of a German-inspired wing design that had a tube that went up through the middle. It was about that long, that had the nose weight so that the model could boost stable without any control. It was just a free flight glider, and then when the parachute would eject, it would eject out the back and pull the tube, and the model would slide off the tube, and that's why it had this hole in the front with the transition. And then it would free flight glide down, and they're very sought after kits. But I thought I wanted to try to do one to capture that look, but do one as radio controlled for the 18mm D2.3 rocket motors. So this is a 2x upscale, so it's 2.6-inch tubing, 6mm Depron wing. I've doubled the spars. My original version, I replaced the wing. It was a little bit too flexy, and it needed a little bit more strength. And it's a 35-inch wingspan and weighs 6.5 ounces, ready to fly. And it's got just a great natural glide. You'll see in the flight videos when we fly it. Their glide's just hands off. I'm only using the aileron control to start the roll, but I don't have to pull around. It just naturally turns, and I let go, and it just a little bit of flare right at the very end. It's a really nice looking glider. It's a neat design with some dihedral and the crank down of the wings, and it's a good sort of blank palette for doing any kind of German color scheme. I left it in the white, kind of like a winter camo scheme, just to save weight, and I kind of like the look of that. Taking off 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it still wants to go to the left a little bit, but it's much more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got a really nice glide. If I could just get a little bit more straight boost. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.